Does your child snore every night? It might be more than just noisy sleep. Obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA, is when a child briefly stops breathing during sleep, often due to blocked airways. Common signs? Loud snoring, gasping, restless sleep, and even daytime sleepiness or behavior issues. Biggest cause in kids? Enlarged tonsils or adenoids. Left untreated, it can affect growth, learning, and heart health. If you're worried, talk to your pediatrician. A sleep study may be needed. Better sleep means better days. Don't let OSA go unnoticed. Share this video to help another parent, and don't forget to subscribe for more pediatric health tips.